Oh. Greetings, ball fans. Preston and I, sick and tired of all the snow and all the winter and the blizzard and the fact that it's March, 19th. We got, 3 inches yesterday, 30-mile-an-hour winds, 20-mile-an-hour winds today. It's 10 degrees, fortunately sunny, and we decided to walk up to Sugarloaf. And some of us decided... There's Preston. Hold on, I don't know if you can see him. High up on the cliff. Everybody's happy. I've come out day after the blizzard. It's 10 degrees, 20-mile-an-hour winds, but it's really sunny. Is there such a thing as really sunny? Either it is or it isn't, I guess. So we'll get around, give you a view of the other side. Stop the video. And, whoa! So it's Tuesday, about 3 o'clock, and we are up above Winona, next to Sugarloaf, on top of the world, looking down on creation. The only explanation I can find is that Mugby coffee is awesome. So you can see the river in the distance. It's open, waiting for us to swim in it. Whoa. There's Lake Winona. Oh, Preston, don't go.
I'm sitting down.
Okay, don't go that close, bud, because you could easily slip. Okay, there's a lot of ice there. Alright, sorry about that scare. Lake Winona is all frozen. Preston, back up, please, just to make me feel better. And if you can look really close, there's Mugby right down there. So, from Sugarloaf, Preston and I say, go USA!